existing for 5 months in the US. 5 months. And it's finally here. Alright, we have, what do we got here? Ooh. We have a hose. Oh, hose, what's, hose for what exactly? Let's have a look. Aha! Alright. Oh, it's pretty, no frills. They could have put a bit of foam in here or something. This is, it's just sitting in the box. That's not very good. It's let's check it out, huh? Like all they've done was put a little bit of cardboard to stop the caster wheels on the bottom there, buddy, hitting the floor. But really, look at this. Oh. Woo. Well, look at that. The Mytee Grand Prix. Woo! You reckon they could have made that cord any longer? Bloody hell. That is the longest cord I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, look at that. Absolutely no foam or protection in there. This has come all the way from America to Australia, so it's come a long way. No scratches, no dings, but still, a little bit, but what do you do now? Woo. Well, the dogs didn't like that, they just run away, so, but I am absolutely ecstatic for this machine. Caster's lock, which is good. But yeah, it's pretty, look at that. Woo! It's not very, it's pretty big actually, but you know, it's shop based. So I'm happy with that. Sounds like it rolls pretty well, so I'm happy. So there it is. 5 months in the making. Oh, far out. Thanks for watching, guys.